Welcome to Vegetarian Kids, and today let's make healthy, nutritious puree, broccoli and carrot puree, very easy to make. So here I have cleaned carrots and broccoli very nicely, chopped carrots into pieces, and you can either take equal proportion of broccoli and carrots, or you can adjust it as per the taste of your baby. Whatever vegetable you're trying for the first time, add very little. So I have the steamer ready. I'm going to add carrots and steam it until they are half cooked. If you're using baby carrots, then they don't take much time to cook, so you can add carrots and broccoli at the same time. But here I'm going to make sure that carrots are a little bit cooked before adding broccoli. It's a very healthy and easy to make puree. And if your kid doesn't like broccoli, then the flavor of carrot will neutralize the flavor of broccoli a little bit. And whatever vegetable you're using for the first time, try in a small quantity. So here I have added broccoli and steamed for under 5 to 7 minutes. And time is not important. Make sure the knife or the fork passes through carrot and broccoli very easily. Baby food needs to be cooked very thoroughly. So now it's cooked, so I'm going to put up the gas stove and let it sit. Make sure it's cooled down completely before you blend it. Broccoli will release a lot of moisture, but if you want, you can add a little bit of water to make a puree. Blend it to a very fine puree. And this is a very healthy puree, but broccoli can give gas to kids, so make sure. I usually serve this during daytime when my baby is very active. So any recipes I make using broccoli is especially served during daytime or for early dinner, and I make sure that baby is active after eating this, so the gas is released if at all they get gas. So do try this, and please subscribe Vegetarian Kids for more videos.